Warsak mga idol. So kanina yung video no na nag-challenge sa tuwa atong idol di kana ko ni. Wow. Nag-request siya idol oh. Daw. Si idol Milicio Abiar. Ingon siya. Dol request ko bi. Request ko kanta. Kanang She Is Gone. Busy ka na nato dol. Busy ka na dol. Awa. She's gone. Wow. Oh, diba? Bugnaw ito no?
Sana all.
I was wrong.
Wow.
I'm to blame. I was so untrue.
What?
I can live without your love.
Wow.
In my life, she's got an empty space. In my dreams are lost and wasting away. Forgive me, girl. Sebuta tayo buhat ng video. Oh, lagi. Dulong na ko.
Oh my God.
Dulong na ko. Isog kini mo sawa eh. Ay.